Do you ever stop being so negative? I'm not negative. Ha! That's a good one. Shut up, you ingrate. Oh, point proven. You're always grumpy, Henry, my chap. You are too. I'm not grumpy, I'm proper. I'll have you know, I can be quite optimistic. Really? I propose a bet. I bet you can't go a week without whining or sighing exaggeratedly once. And what do I get if I win? Edward thought for a moment. The Express. For a week. Wait, what? You have a deal. I didn't agree to this. For the rest of the week, Henry stayed quiet. He smiled at everyone and stopped talking when he got annoyed. Even when Percy was late with his coaches and James splashed mud on him one day, Henry remained silent. He's not giving up. I'm surprised this is still going on. You better give up soon. I'm not giving my Express. I just got it back. Luckily for Gordon, he wouldn't have to give it up. For the day before the bet was set to end, Henry was tipped over the edge. He was backing up to get coal before turning around when his tender came fully off the rails at the points. Oh, for fuck's sake! This whole week has been a nightmare. I can't stand this railway, these stupid people, and these jackasses I'm forced to be friends with. I hate it here. I wish I could just go away to a nice countryside and no one fucking bothered me. Well, Gordon, I think you get to keep your Express. Ho, chin up, Henry. You are so close. I'll strike a deal with you. You can have the Express for 2 days. Really? Yes, you earned it. We all know you couldn't keep cheerful for a whole week. Besides, we missed our Grump. Edward and Gordon laughed as Henry quietly blushed.